juvenile Gannets from Lambert's Bay. We got them about a month to 6 weeks ago. They've been emaciated, so we've been feeding them up, getting them waterproof, strong enough to go back out into the wild, and yeah, today was the release of 11.
Now just a question, and I know a lot of people are going to be asking me this, is those birds obviously going from the nest essentially to SANCCOB?
Yes.
You guys doing an amazing job to rehabilitate them, to make sure that they're back to strength. Now suddenly they found themselves out in the middle of the ocean. They looked at me, they weren't stressed at all.
Yeah.
I mean, how do they, are they just adapted to now kick into survival mode and do what they need to do?
We go through a lot of efforts to make sure that they don't get tame, and kind of as soon as they're back in the water, instinct just kicks in. They know how to hunt for fish, they know how to fly. They've been getting themselves fit at SANCCOB. We forced them to swim. They've been preening, so they're waterproof, and they kind of instinct kicks in. They know how to fish, and they'll probably end up back at Lambert's Bay for breeding season.